this morning on a Friday morning, the 10th of July. Welcome to Grade 3 Coding. My name is Mrs. de Klerk and I'm your coding teacher. I hope all of you are nice and warm. The weather here by me in the Western Cape this morning is really very cold. But at least when I look out the window, I can see a lot of dolphins in the ocean today, so they must be enjoying the cold water. Okay, you guys, we are still busy with programming in Collector, and this is what our Laurel, the collector, looks like. Today we are going to do puzzle 6 to 8 from lesson 4, but puzzle 8 will be your homework. Okay, later on today or during our class, I am going to send you the link in the chat box, and then you guys can join me in code.org. Right, you guys had to do puzzle 5 for homework, and they asked us to put the blocks in the right order to collect all the treasure. Here is the answer for you if you want to have a look at it. If we could quickly follow this code, we will see that Laurel needs to move forward, then turn right, move forward, collect the treasure, turn left, and then move forward, and collect the treasure. So this is what your coding will look like to solve that puzzle. Okay, now let's quickly look at our directions again so that we can practice them, me including. Okay, remember you can, or Laurel can come from different points in the puzzle. She can come from the top going down. That means she will be facing you. You can see her face. She can go from the bottom up. That means she will be facing the same way as you are. Okay, so then left and right, your left and your right will also be Laurel's left and Laurel's right. She can come from this side, facing the right side of your computer screen, or she can come from this side, facing the left side of your computer screen. So let's see where left, and if they say turn left, where it will be. If we look at this one, if she's coming from that way and we say turn left, she will go up. Okay. This one, if she's coming from this way and we say turn left, then turn left will be down. So do you see the difference between these two? It depends on which side Laurel is facing. If she's facing this way, then left is up. If she's facing this way, then left is down. Okay. If she is facing, you can see her back. That means she's facing the same way that you are. Left will be also your left. If she's coming from the top, and then her left and your left will be opposite. Left will be on this side. So you see how it can change depending on where Laurel is standing in the puzzle. If we say turn right, again, we can come from different directions. And it's the same thing. If she's coming from this way and it says turn right, then she will turn down. If she's coming from this way and we say turn right, she'll be turning up. You see how important it is to see which way she is facing, because left and right will change depending on which way Laurel is facing. If we say turn right from this side, it means you will see her back and she is facing the same direction as you are when you look at the screen. So here, right will also be your right-hand side. This is the easiest one to code if she's standing with her back towards you, because then your left and her right and your right will be the same. But if she's coming from the top here, then her right hand will, or her turn right will be the opposite than yours. Do you see that? So we always have to see which way she is facing. Okay. Hoodie handed in his homework. So very, very well done to you. A big shout out to you. Thank you for sending your homework. It's always good to see. And your homework was done right. Just look at how happy Laurel is there. She found her treasure. So very well done to you and keep up the good work. Okay, you guys, this is what puzzle 6 is going to look like. Now they are going to give you this code. Okay. But these blocks are in the wrong order. Remember, we always have to look at sequence, the order of the blocks. So we know we have all the right blocks here, but we have to fix it. So we will have to debug and just change the order of these. Let's quickly just see what will happen if we follow this code. I will run it for you on the platform as well, but let's just see. It says move forward and collect. But there's no diamond here. So your coding will stop right there. Your program will tell you there's no diamond to collect, and then she cannot move any further. Okay. Let's quickly look at puzzle number 7. Oh, by the way, in puzzle 6, that's not the only, this collect block is wrong. But that's not the only block that is wrong, okay? You will see if we take it out and here's another one. There's a lot of mistakes, or we have to change a lot of things here. But we will figure that out when we get to the coding platform. Now this is puzzle 7. It looks like this. They also say these blocks are in the wrong order. Reorder them to collect all the treasure. Now you remember that all the gray blocks, we cannot throw them away. We can throw some of the blue blocks away in our trash bin, but we cannot throw away these ones, these gray ones. They are stone blocks. So they have to stay there. We have to try and move them. Okay, so again, they're in the wrong order and we have to reorder them. So let's say the first one says move forward. Now remember, we can see where Laurel is facing. She's facing this way. Luckily, we are not saying move left or right, but move forward. So she'll move here. Now Laurel's right is this way. Okay. If she's facing this way, right will be the wrong way. Right is not going to be up. That's going to be left. Okay. So here is already a problem here. That's only the first problem. We are going to have to change that one. Remember, we are going to use all of these blocks. We just need to change this one, or just maybe click there on this drop-down menu and we can choose left. And from there on, we will debug and see which order it should be in. This is puzzle 8. And it says, your instruction says, even if we put these in the right order, there will still be some missing. So we need to use blocks from the toolbox to collect all of the treasure. So this is the blocks they give us. It's in the wrong order. We are going to use all of them, but we still need to take blue blocks from our toolbox. Okay, I am going over to the coding platform. I'm going to share my screen there. Let's just go to 5. I'm going to share the link with you now. 5 was the homework that you did. Okay, remember that it says here, sequence matters. So that means you need to put them in the correct order. I just wanted to show you. Now we'll go on to puzzle 6. I'm going to give you this one's link just now in your chat box. Okay, you guys can just click there in the chat box And that link should take you to where I am now, to puzzle 6. I'm going to give you, I see that Hood is already in. The others you can try. Remember, you can put 2 screens next to each other on most devices. You can either, or you can also work on 2 devices if you want. But if you cannot get into the code, it's not a problem. You can watch on my screen and you can answer the questions and help me to code. Okay, I'm going to give you another 30 seconds or so. Remember, if you are in, just give me an indication that you are in. Lutanda, you can't get in. That was a problem yesterday as well, right? Okay, Lutanda, you, I'm going, every time we move a puzzle, I will, Matloto, you as well, you are not in. Okay, you two, as soon as we move to puzzle 7, I will post the link again. So for now, just follow on my screen, okay? Then I'm going to start, you guys. I will ask you guys questions and you can help me to code this one. And let's see what your instruction says. It says, help me collect each bit of treasure. These blocks are in the wrong order. Can you fix them? So she wants both treasures, and here is the code already, but in the wrong order. Now let's quickly see what happens if we run. Do you see she's running and then she's stopping? Then here in the instructions, it tells us that space doesn't have enough items for me to collect. So if you put a collect block in, but there is nothing to collect, your code will just stop there. Okay, so that is our first thing. Let me remove this, and then you guys can tell me what to do next. Let's put it back, reset. Let's let it run and see now. Now she moves forward twice, but that collect is wrong. Okay, so if you put up your hand, I will unmute you, and then you can tell me what I should do here. Matlotlo, I'm unmuting you. Can you unmute on your side? Hi.
Yes. Hi, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what's wrong here? What do I need to change?
10 right. Oh, collect.
Okay, so I'm going to take away the collect one. Okay. Do you see? Because there's nothing to collect. Then it says turn right. Is that the right direction? It is,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Then it says move forward, move forward, move forward. What do I need to put here? I need to put these 2 collect blocks in somewhere. Where should I put them? Matlotlo, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me what to do.
You need to put the collect block here.
Okay, I'm going to take these away, then you tell me where. Should I put it here? Or not yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Here.
Yes.
And then?
Put this blocks and put collect block.
There, like that.
Yes,
Okay, let's run it and see. Oh, do you see we told it to collect right here. So we told it to collect too easy. So we still have to do it. We still need to change something. I see Amber is done. Well done to you, Amber. You got it?
ma'am.
So
Forward
let's quickly see. We need to take this collect away.
and put the move forward again.
So like that. Did I put it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Should I
Yes,
put the
ma'am.
collect back?
Yes, ma'am.
And then connect this, right? Now let's see if it's working now. Let's reset and run. Aha, there we've got it. Thank you very, very much and well done. Your coding just worked. Do you guys see how easy it is just to, if you use step by step, just to see where you made a little mistake, because sometimes it's a really, really tiny mistake and you just need to swap 2 blocks. So that could be really, really easy. Okay. Let's quickly see here. I'm going to do it step by step. Move forward, turn right, move forward, move forward. Remember, if she is on the diamond, we have to say collect. Otherwise, she's not going to pick it up. The last one, move forward and collect. Okay. Let's continue to the next puzzle. I am going to share this one's code, the link again. Maybe you guys can get in this time. Yesterday it also worked like that. I think you got in, you couldn't get in the first one, but you could get in the second puzzle. I'm going to put it in the chat box. Okay, Lutando, you guys, and Matlotlo, just quickly see if you can click on that one and maybe you can get in like that. Okay, the rest of you, let us quickly continue. Okay, now my screen is a bit bigger. You can see the picture better. Oh, Lutando's still not in. Okay, still follow on my screen. Maybe if I put it and you copy it after class, maybe it will take you there. Right, guys? Neither of you got in now. I wonder why it won't let you in. That's very strange. Okay, but you can watch on my screen and tell me what to do. So your instruction says, help me collect all of the treasure. These blocks are in the wrong order. Reorder them to collect all of the treasure. So you will see here, remember what I told you? All these gray blocks, we cannot throw them away. They are stone blocks. We can, if we don't use them, we have to put them here, but we cannot throw them away. Okay. Now let's see what this code does when we tell it to run. Let's see where it goes wrong. Move forward, turn right. Oh, do you see there's the problem? Turn right. So right is going to be this way. We don't want to turn this way. We want to turn up. So that is going to be left. So let's quickly see who can help me with the first block of this code. Only Matlotlo's raising his hand. Anyone else? Lutandu, do you want to try because you can't code on your screen? No? Okay. Kamu also raised a hand. Let's ask Kamu this time. Kamu, you can unmute on your side. Hi.
Ma'am.
Is your name Kamu?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Kamu, can you help me to change this code? What should I change first?
Yes, ma'am. First, move forward. Turn.
Yes?
Turn right.
Are we going to turn right? Remember, right is down. We need to change
Left.
this.
Turn left.
Okay, so all I'm going to do, I'm going to change this one to turn left. Okay, after that, what should we do?
Move forward.
Okay. So we moved forward, turn left, move forward, and now we need to do something here.
Collect.
Very good. So here the code was correct. Collect, okay, and then from collect, where should we go?
Move forward.
We can move forward. We can move forward. Let's quickly see. Okay, so we are here now. Let's quickly step it and see where we are. If we are correct so far, move forward, turn left, move forward, collect, move forward. There we go. Okay. So now you see also Laurel is facing the same way that you are. So what move will we put in next? What do you think? She needs to turn. Do you see? Because she needs to go towards the diamond. So which way does she need to turn?
10 left.
Oh, remember, left is this way. So she needs to
10
turn the
right.
other one. There we go. So we're just going to change this one to right. Okay. And then what?
Then move forward 2 times.
Move forward 2 times, you say, and then
Collect.
okay, is this your code?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's reset and try it again. Let's run. Move forward, turn left, move forward, collect, move forward, turn right. Oh, almost perfect. You just see we left out one collect. Okay, you remember? So if you are
Yes, ma'am.
standing on the diamond, we need to collect it. So here is the block we didn't use. So let's put it in there. And then I'm going to run it again because now I'm pretty sure it's going to work. And there we go. She did it. Very, very well done. Well done to your coding. That was a long code to write and you did a very good job. Okay. Right. Let's go to our next puzzle. This was puzzle 7. Now we are going already. Oh, we are very fast today. So we can code a little bit more than I thought we would. We are going over to puzzle 8. Let's quickly run this one more time. And then I'll go to puzzle 8 and I will put the link in the chat box again. Puzzle 8 is also your homework. But if we finish puzzle 8 and you guys did it on your own, you can take a screenshot or a photo. You can send it to me later and then we can continue maybe with puzzle 9. Now this one is a challenge puzzle. Remember that I told you guys a challenge puzzle should usually be a little bit more difficult than the others because they want you to stretch your brain and to think a little bit more. Now, if you see on the screen, you're going to see you can take more blocks from the toolbox if you need them. So this challenge, let me just quickly open this up. Let me first put the link in the chat box for you. And then I will speak about this challenge. Okay, there it is in the chat box if you want to try and get in again. Now let's first read the instructions. This is where we always have to start with the instructions, okay? The challenge, Laurel says, what's going on here? Even if we put these in the right order, there will still be something missing. Use blocks from the toolbox to collect all of the treasure. So we have to use these gray blocks. We are going to use all of them. But they are saying, number one, they are not in the correct order. So we have to put them in the correct order. And number two, there's not enough. So we have to use some of the blue or the pink block as well. And then the third thing we are looking at, you see in our workspace here, we can use 16 blocks. Okay, there are already 11 blocks there, but we can use 16. So we are going to use some of the blue ones. Now I'm going to run this code to see what Laurel does when we do. Okay, so let's run it. Move forward, collect, turn left. Oh, and there, poor Laurel is dizzy. She is bumping her head there. Did you see that? Because we let her turn the wrong way. So we are going to change this. Let's click on the reset button. Okay, so I want someone to help me. What are we going to do first? Chevelle, I am going to unmute you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Chevelle, how are you?
Fine, thanks, and how are you?
I am fine, thank you. Can you help me? What should we change here, or what should happen here?
Ma'am, we must move forward, and we
Yes,
must remove this move forward and put collect.
very good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first try and use these gray blocks, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just going to take this one. Oh, not turn left, you said collect here.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
move forward and then collect, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what's our next step?
Then move forward and collect.
Again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then?
Then another move forward, then collect.
Fantastic. Okay. Let's quickly see if this is the first part of the code. So Chevelle, thank you very, very much for answering this.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's quickly see. I'm going to mute you again. Okay, she has done this part of the code for us. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, let's run it. Move forward, collect, move forward, collect, move forward, collect, and that is perfect. So she has done the very first part. Now we're going to do the second part. What I do want you guys to notice here, there's a move forward and collect 3 times. So instead of putting it 3 times, I am going to remove it and I want to use a repeat block. Okay, because it's doing the same thing 3 times. I'm going to put a 3 in there and put the move forward and the collect block there, and it will do exactly the same as Chevelle did with these gray blocks. Now I'm going to run it just to test. Yes, moving forward and collecting, and that is perfect. Okay, so now we need to do our next part. We are finished with this. Now Laurel has to turn and go get this one. So what will our next move be? Let's ask Feliciwe. Can you unmute on your side?
Hello?
Yes, sorry, what's your name?
Tuba.
Tuba, you see, I knew that. Feliciwe is your mommy, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Tuba, what do we need to do next?
You need to put right.
Okay, so here, let's use this one. Turn right.
And then
Okay.
move forward.
Move forward. Yes. And then,
And then
do you want me to put steps so that you can see where you are now?
yep.
Okay, let's step this out quickly. The first one is move forward, collect. Move forward, collect. Move forward, collect. Okay, turn right. Okay, move forward. This is where you are now. So what do you need to do next?
Move forward again
That's right. Move forward again.
and
Okay, and
collect.
then, okay, let me choose this collect here. Okay, I'm going to first stop you there. Let's quickly test it. Thank you, Tuba. I think that is perfect. So let's quickly test that. We will let it run only this part of the code. So up to this diamond. Let's see if it is correct. There she goes. We know the first 3 are correct because we've tested it already. There she's turning, moving forward and collecting. Fantastic. Right. This is where we are now. Now we need to get to the very last diamond, and we haven't even used blue blocks. but we did use a pink one for repeat. So who can help Laurel to get from here? This is the last part of the puzzle to the diamond. Let's see who's raising their hands. Lutando, I am going to unmute on my side. See if you can unmute on your side. Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Now you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, can you help me to do this last part of the puzzle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do we need to do next?
We need to move forward 2 times and turn left.
Okay, so let's put move forward. Here's our other move forward. Turn left. Okay, after
And
that.
left.
And right, let's quickly run it and see if it's working. We know that the first 2 parts are already working, so now we're testing our third part. There we go, collect, move forward, turn. Oh, and there's nothing to collect. Do you see that we need to add 1 more block here? What does she need to do before she can collect?
Needs to a move forward block.
There we go, fantastic. So here we are using a blue one. Okay, and do you guys see here, we've only used 13 blocks, that's good. We could have used 16, but we're using 13. But I think this code is going to work perfectly now. So let's run it again. There she goes, she's collecting all of the treasure. There she goes, she's going to get the last one, and fantastic. Very, very well done. Okay, Lutando, you got the code right as well. Okay, you guys, this is going to be your homework one. So I'm not going to continue to number 9. I'm going to put this one in the chat box again. I will show you what number 9 looks like quickly. If you want to stay on here and you want to play some more, you are more than welcome. Oh, Cheval, you wanted to do the puzzle. I'm so sorry. Do you know what? Oh, I just sent it only to Cheval. Let me send it to everyone. Send your homework to me so that I can know that you understand and do it correctly. And then Cheval, next time, I'm going to try and remember to start with you again, okay? But I'm trying to let everyone, give everyone a chance who puts up their hand. Right, so this, I'm going to take this away because it's your homework. I don't want, oh, I can't do that. I don't want you to see, I'm going to say start over. I don't want you to just copy. I want you to do it by yourselves. Okay. Guys, I am going to go back to my screen share. This one. And then here's the challenge puzzle. Even if we put these in the right order, there will still be some missing. Use blocks from the toolbox to collect all of the treasure. Take a picture of your code and send it to me. Here is my email. I know that some of you have asked me, how do you send it? You can just take a picture with your phone or on your computer. You can take a screenshot and then you can email it to me directly, okay? If you have a laptop, you will see if you put your finger on Shift and then at the bottom on the Windows one and S, it will let you cut out on your screen. You can cut that out and send it to me as well. I see some of you have raised your hands. Let me quickly just see who. Cheval, do you want to say something or did you raise your hand to answer the question?
Ma'am, may you
Yes.
please go back to the homework?
The homework one, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm putting it there for you for a little while. And then I'm going to unmute you. Someone else wants to ask a question, I think. Tuba, I'm going to unmute.
Hello?
Yes, do you want to ask a question?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to take your hand away. Okay, I think it was previously where we didn't lower your hand. All right, you guys. I'm leaving this on for just a little while so that you can see. I'm just leaving on my email for you quickly, then I'll go back. There is. Okay. This one is my email. Please send it to me. I will check it and I will give you feedback. And then that is all for today. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I will have a lovely weekend and I will see you all on Monday. Bye-bye.